A warm welcome to everyone. This is Fadil Rahman and I'll be hosting for you today. And before we start beginning the ground, I'm going to introduce you to the participants. First, Fatima Ismail.
Hi.
Second, we have Mohammad Shaukat Hussain with us.
Hey guys.
And third, we have Iram Fatima with us.
Hi guys.
Cool. So as we know from the previous round, we'll be having 3 rounds: traditional round, blitz round, and double down round. So without wasting any time, let's begin this show, okay? I hope you all have a great time. So we're going to spin the wheel for Fatima Ismail before we begin the round. So let's start this. Whoa! She gets point bomb, and let me spin the coin once again. Cool. And Ages of the Legion, Fatima, this is going to help you a lot. Let's again spin the coin, spin the wheels, okay? Whoa! She gets the Sadaka. Cool. So we are going to move to second participant, that is our Shaukat Hussain. And for him, we'll again spin the coins, spin the wheel. And let's begin it. Cool. Shaukat also gets point bomb. Let's spin the coin again for Shaukat. Whoa. Shaukat gets Gambler's Delight in his second turn. That's great, Shaukat. So I'm going to spin the wheel again. Shaukat. Damn! Shaukat gets the Great Heist. For the next participant, I'm going to flip the wheel again, and this time it's for Iram Fatima. Let us see this. Whoa! Iram gets Ages of the Legion, which will prove really helpful for her. And let's see what she gets in the second time. Great. Iram gets Sadaka, which she can use at the end of second or third round. That's amazing. Let's begin. For the last time, we'll be spinning the wheel for the participant. That's great. Iram gets Gambler's Delight. Here we go, guys. We begin our first round, the traditional round, and the first question will be going to Fatima Ismail. Here we go. Question number 1. Which is the hottest planet in the solar system? Option A, Mercury. Option B, Mars. Option C, Jupiter. Option D, Venus. Let the timer begin.
Option A, Mercury.
Are you sure, Fatima?
Mercury. Option A.
Okay. Cool. Let's see if it's the correct answer or not. Oh, so sorry. The correct answer is Venus. No problem. He can get some marks, get some points using a power-ups. So let's go to second participant, that is Shaukat. Here we go. You have the question on your screen. Which natural disaster is measured with a Richter scale? Option A, tsunami. Option B, volcanic eruption. Option C, earthquake. Option D, typhoons.
Option C, earthquakes.
Are you sure, Shaukat?
Absolutely.
Cool, that's a confident answer from Shaukat. And yes, the correct answer is earthquake. And Mr. Shaukat gets plus 5 points for his correct answer. Good going, Shaukat. And the next question is for Iram Fatima. Here we go. The question is on your screen. What animals are pearls found in? Option A, clams. Option B, crabs. Option C, oysters. Option D, stonefish. Hiram, which one you want to pick?
Option A, clams.
Are you sure?
Let's see.
That's not a confident answer, which I was expecting from you. Still have some time, I guess.
I know I'll go with option A, clams.
Cool. Okay. Hiram seems confident. So let's see if it's the correct answer. The correct answer is option C, oysters. No problem. You can increase your points using a power up. So the next question is for Fatima, the fourth question. And the question is on your screen, Fatima. Which country is responsible for giving us pizza and pasta? Option A, France. Option B, Italy. Option C, Greece. Option D, Canada.
Option B, Italy.
Option B, Italy. Are you sure, Fatima?
Yes.
That's a confident answer. And yes, the correct answer is Italy. That's great. And Fatima has opened the account with 5 points. Amazing. And the next question is for Shaukat. The fifth question is for Shaukat. The next question is on your screen, Shaukat. Which warrior's weakness was their heel? Option A, Achilles. Option B, Hannibal. Option C, Spartacus. Option D, Alexander the Great. Spartacus.
Achilles. Option A.
Are you sure, Shaukat?
Yeah.
You seem to be quite interested in history, I guess. Let's see. Oh, the correct answer is Achilles. That's the correct answer from Shaukat. And he gets 10 points in this round. That's amazing. Next question is for Iram. Iram, the question is on your screen. How many ice cream flavors does Baskin Robbins have? Option A, 25. Option B, 30. Option C, 31. Option D, 18.
Option C, 31.
Whoa. Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, let's see it. I'm not sure it's 31, I guess. Let's see it. Yes, that's the correct answer, 31. Hiram, finally you have opened your account with 5 points. That's amazing. And that's the end of our first round. And let us see the points table. And here you go. Everybody have some points. Shaukat is leading with 10 points. Has he got 2 question correct answer? Hiram with 5 points and Fatima with 5 points. So I'm gonna request Shaukat, which power up does he want to use right now? I hope you remember your.
I'm feeling charitable now, so I guess I'll go with point bomb.
You want to use point bomb. Okay.
Yeah.
So you will be getting extra plus 3 points in this round, and then Hiram and Fatima both will be getting 1.5 points in this round.
Yeah, nice.
Cool. The points are updated. Hiram and Fatima gets 1 point each, and then Shaukat gets 3 points. That's amazing. And I'm requesting Hiram to choose her next power up. Hiram has Aegis of the Legion. Hiram has Sadaka and Gambler's Delight. What you want to use?
I'll use Sadaka.
Cool. Which means all the participants will be giving 0.5 or 1 point to Hiram. So that's amazing. So let's see the points table after this. Great. Hiram is now leading with 8 points. And Fatima has within 5 points, and then Shaukat is at 12 points. Fatima, it's your round, it's your time. So which power up?
I'll use Sadaka.
Oh, Shaukat is now has 11 points, Hiram has 7, and Fatima Ismail also has 7. That's great. Hiram and Fatima Ismail are feeding with each other. That's great. So this is our result after the first round. So let's go to our second round, which is known as Blitz round. Second round, the Blitz round, and any participant can raise their hands and come forward to answer the question. There is no penalty. So let's go to the question. What does DC stand for? Option A, Detective Comics. Option B, Daniel Comics. Option C, Disc Cartoon Comics. Option D, Dystopia Comics. Who wants to answer this?
Okay, I'll go, I guess.
Cool.
I think it's A, Detective Comics.
Okay. You seem to be quite a DC fan, I guess. Maybe you know this answer. Let's see if it's the correct answer. That's great. The correct answer is Detective Comics. Shaukat is continuing his winning ways. That's amazing. So I'll move to the next participant.
Yay.
So the next question, here you go on your screen. Which animal can be seen on the Porsche logo? Option A, bull. Option B, horse. Option C, cheetah. Option D, leopard. Iram, that's great. Iram, what do you want to choose?
I'll pick B, horse.
Horse. Do you know anything about Porsche car? Porsche.
My neighbors have Porsche.
Oh, that's amazing. Quite a rich people. That's good. Let's see if it's the correct answer or not. The correct answer is horse. That's amazing. Iram also gets the correct answer. And let's go to next question. Here you go on your screen. Which company owns Bugatti, Lamborghini, Audi, Porsche, and Ducati? Option A, BMW. Option B, Ford. Option C, Tata. Option D, Volkswagen. Fatima Ismail? Okay. So,
Option D, Volkswagen.
Volkswagen. Cool. Let's see if the right answer. That's the right answer. So, amazing. You all performed well, and each question was answered by different participants. I'm happy about it. So, let's go to the points table and see if there is any change in it. Obviously, there's a change. So, here you go. The current score right now for Shaukat is 13. He has increased his score with +2 points, and in fact, every participant have increased the point by +2 points. Iram and Fatima Ismail are still in the second and third, twinning with each other. So Shaukat at 13 points. Before that, we go to next round. We'll see who got what power up. I request Shaukat to use his first power up, second power up in fact. Shaukat has used point bomb before, so
Yeah,
let's see what he.
I would like to use the Gambler's Delight.
Shaukat wants to use Gambler's Delight. Okay, so you can use this at the third round. You can bet on each participant's question. One participant answer actually. So the correct answer will grant him +1 point, and the wrong answer is not penalized. Cool. You can use this on your third round. Cool. So I request now Iram to use her power up.
I'll use Ages of Legion.
Ages of the Legion. She used Sadaka before, so she has Ages of Legion. Cool. And what does Fatima wants to use?
Ages of the Legion.
She also wants to choose Ages of Legion. Cool. So if you see Ages of Legion, so she can use this thing or using the third round when she gets any penalties. So the most important, the final round of this show is double down round, and the penalty is with 5 points, and the correct answer will be getting 10 points. So let's begin our third round and the final round for the show, the double down round. The disadvantage for the participant is they'll be getting penalties, and they have to make sure that they avoid it. So let's go to the question, and the first question is for Fatima Ismail. Which bone are babies born without? Option A, skull. Option B, kneecap. Option C, femur. Option D, ankle bone. Fatima?
Option C.
Option C, femur. Are you sure?
No.
No. So let's see if it's the correct answer or not. The correct answer is option B, kneecap. Okay. So Fatima unfortunately couldn't answer this, but no problem. She can use her power up, the Ages of the Legion, so that she can grant immunity to her penalties. That's amazing. So the next question for Fatima here on your screen. Which nut is used to make dynamite? Option A, almonds. Option B, pine nuts. Option C, walnuts. Option D, peanuts. Fatima is here.
Option B, pine nuts.
Option B, pine nuts. Are you sure?
No.
You have time, okay? So you can choose to calm. Oh, the correct answer is peanuts, Fatima. Just a miss, I guess. That's okay. I will move to next participant. Now with Shaukat. Shaukat, your question on your screen. What is the world's biggest island? Option A, Greenland. Option B, Indonesia. Option C, Sri Lanka. Option D, Madagascar.
Okay, this is a tough one. I guess I'll go with Greenland because it looks big.
Does it so? Does it?
I mean, yeah, I guess Greenland. It's also, they might, yeah.
I think it's Sri Lanka, I guess. Okay, so let's
Could
see.
be Madagascar, who knows? But Greenland, yeah.
You're going for Greenland, right?
Yeah.
Cool. So let's go for this. Wow, that's amazing. Shaukat doesn't know how to lose, I guess. He knows only to win. So that's amazing, Greenland. And I'm going to next question. What is another name for deer meat? Option A,
Yeah,
prosciutto.
venison.
Option B, capicola. Option C, venison. Option D, mozzarella. What is the correct answer?
Sea venison.
Damn, that's amazing. Have you tried this before?
No, I read about it.
Cool, cool. Amazing, Shaukat. That's amazing. Option C, venison is the correct answer. And yes, Shaukat is on his winning ways. He doesn't have to lose. The next question is for Iram. Iram, your question is on your screen. According to Greek mythology, who was the first woman on earth? Option A, Pandora. Option B, Athena. Option C, Iris. Option D, Clive. Clive, I guess. Shaukat, if you want, you can bet on this. Iram?
C, Iris.
Iris. Are you sure?
No, but I'll see.
And Shaukat, do you want to bet?
No, I don't know the answers. So I'm not gonna
Okay,
get.
cool. Okay, so sorry, Ram. The unfortunate correct answer is option A, Pandora. The question was a bit difficult, I guess, but it's fine. So let's move to the next question for you, Ram. How many signs are there in zodiac? Option A, 15. Option B, 12. Option C, 10. Option D, 18.
Do we have a time limit in this?
Yes, all questions have 30 seconds. You might have no.
I don't have a choice, so I guess I'm invoking the gambler's delight on Iram.
Cool.
I hope she gets it right.
Yes. Iram? You can't Google, okay?
She's counting.
How many
12.
times? 12.
Yeah.
Okay,
B.
let's see if it's the correct answer. Iram, that's the correct answer, Iram. 12 points. 12 is the correct answer, and zodiac signs are 12. And congratulations to Iram as well as Shaukat for betting on Iram right answer. So let's see the points table now after the third round. Shaukat with an impressive performance leading the round, leading the table with 34 points. Iram with 14 points. Fatima with 4 points. I want to congratulate everyone and to all the participants who are here. And thank you for attending the show. Wish you all the best. Thank you.